Hey guys, at my FX right here. So today I'm gonna show you guys you could m- how you could get the next possible big move of the V75 synthetic indices pair. With this trade, you can grow your $10 account, your $20 account, your $50 account, your small account to as high as 10x, 5x, 50x. You can grow your $10 account to $100, $10, your $50 account to $500. So if you don't want to miss this said opportunity on the next big move on the V75 indices, especially if you trade the synthetic indices, please do well to watch this video to the end and do well to smash the subscribe button for us so you could be notified on when this move is really happening. But actually, this is the video. In this video I'm going to show you guys the next big move of V75 here. So you could use your small account to leverage off it and swing it, okay? Even though you're a scalper or a swing trader, with this next big move I'm going to show you guys, okay, from this video, you will be able to make 10x of your account. So please do well to watch this video to the end. Without further ado, let's dive into the business of the day. As you guys can see, V75 has been on a very nice trend since last year April. Okay, if you look down here, you see this is April last year. V75 created these highs, so since then V75 has been on a very nice downtrend. If I have to plot my trend line to have the first touch, second touch, third touch, okay, so plot a trend line to touch those wicks, okay, all the way to the downside. Okay, you can see V75 did what there were touches there, first touch, second touch, and a third touch, and V75 has been a very nice downtrend till March 2023. So on seeing this, okay, see the price V75 was also creating highs, lows, highs, lows, highs, lows, highs, and a low, and there was thereafter a breakout, okay, which now took out this other high. So thereafter we started anticipating a change of directional bias. So even before then, we had my set kind of projections or my set kind of signals in which I used to determine price reversal. So before then, I spotted this divergence happening here. Okay, on the main chart, price was giving us lower lows. Okay, then while here on the RSI, this is a default RSI 14. Okay, it's just a default, no settings on it. Default RSI 14, price was giving us higher lows. Okay, price is going up on the RSI, while here in the main chart price is coming down. So this is actually called regular divergence, and regular divergence are used in spotting price reversal. Okay, so on spotting this, we started anticipating price reversal all the way to the upside. So since then, we have been trading more of buys on the V75 base. So for most of you that have joined us for a previous long time, you see on the previous analysis that we have had on V75, it has been more of the buys than the sells. So on seeing this divergence here, mind you, this is the 1 hour time frame. Okay, if we look at the top left hand corner here, you see this is the 1 hour, sorry, this is the daily time frame of the V75. So we spotted this divergence on the daily time frame of the V75. So scaling down to the current market, how we can utilize the current move of V75 to grow our accounts to 10x and 20x. Okay, you have to spot your overall highs and your overall lows, okay, here on the daily time frame. So we have spotted our areas, so now you have to spot your minor levels. You can see here price was rejecting here, price rejected here, here, and here. Okay, so on doing this, then you can see take those areas as your next nearest key level. So I'll also place a line there, okay, in those areas, and in which price rejected over and over again. Okay, these highs, let's take it down a little bit, this here, 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 okay, about 3 times. So same thing to the downside. Okay, we have a resistance level here, 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 and here. So I'll just place my line here to where the current market is. So if you're looking deeply here, you see V75 for since the month of May, V75 has been doing what? Has been ranging, okay? Has been ranging. Mind you, I love showing my lines, okay? Instead of you using lines, you could use rectangles, but I love using lines, okay? Because lines makes my charts cleaner, okay? With lines, okay? This is the resistance level, okay? Below is the support, above are the resistance levels, okay? So now we have marked our support and our resistance level on V75 from the daily time frame. You know, if you scale down, okay, like I was trying to say, V75 has been doing what has been ranging. So all those trades that I have been taking for the past few months since May to till date, which is July, if you scale down to your lower time frame, like a 4 hour, 1 hour, the lower the time frame, the more of the noise you'll be seeing, okay? Okay, not too bad here on the 4 hour time frame. If you scale down to the 1 hour time frame, you see how noisy V75 has been, okay, not having a quite nice directional move or buyer. So V75 has been so noisy and ranging. So for people like me that will understand market structure, apart from the sales that I took somewhere around here on the V75, okay, it was a little bit scalp sell that I took here at the breakout of this area. The retracement, I took this retracement, took profit at the 100% retracement down here. So that was the only sell trades in which I took on V75. So though if you look at on going back to our daily time frame, if you look closely, you can now see price has now compressed all the noise from the lower time frame to just few candles in what you can see on the daily time frame. Price has now compressed all those noise and given us just few candles so that we can have a clearer picture and a clearer move of price on the higher time frame. So now you can see, if you still look deeply, you see since this is a range, how do I trade ranges? What do? I box it up, okay, from the highs to the lows. Let me take out that green so that you guys can see properly, okay? I box it up. I box my range up. So when I have ranges like this is the very crucial part. So you guys should please listen, okay? Listen quite well. So because this is a crucial part in which and how you can make the entries and 10x your account with your $10, your $20, your $50 or so to as high as 100 and $500. So you guys should not miss this, okay? So since this is a range, okay, we will have to be patient enough, though we do not take these buys, okay, even before these buys happen, okay, still using my chart pattern. How are we pretty sure that price is going to break out to the upside? Okay, the same divergence we spoke about, price was creating lower lows here on the main chart and price is creating highs here on the RSI. So same thing happens on even on the higher time, sorry, on the lower time frame. So and going back to our daily time frame, you can now have a clearer picture and being certain that price would break out all the way to the upside. So how do you do this? Okay, the best way to making entries of this is waiting for price to do what? Break out. Don't trade the breakout. Trading breakout gives you less possibilities of wins, okay? I prefer the break and retest, and I've been using this over the years, okay? So when price breaks out, you have to be patient enough for the retracement back to this zone, okay, which is our area of interest. Price will retrace back to this area of interest, okay, and do what? And move to the upside, okay? So we'll be looking for a breakout of this area of interest, okay, and retracement back here to our area of interest, and a close of a bullish engulfing candle, okay, a 1 hour or a 4 hour close of a bullish engulfing candle on this zone. Then we can make take the opportunities of the buys, okay, but you have to do what? Scale down to your lower time frame, because sometimes you may not see this break and retest on the higher time frame. Mind you, we are still on the daily time frame, so you can look for this break and retest from as low as your 15 minutes or 5 minutes, even your 1 hour time frame, okay, for price to do what? Breakout, retest that zone, give you a 1 hour or a 4 hour bullish engulfing candle close. Then what will happen thereafter? You can now take your buy entries at the close of that bullish engulfing candle. Put your stop loss at the wick of that candle close. At least target the first level here, which is this black line which we are marking out here. Okay, target that first level as your first level, take profit. Then you can swing as long as you wish, because V75, as you can see, the buys just got started, and this is a total trend reversal. Okay, so if you are able to catch this trend, all right, you can 20x, you can 50x your account, your small account, to as much as this trend wishes to last. So you guys should not miss this trade for nothing. Okay, add V75 to your watch list, because this is pretty a very nice big move. You have seen us done this over and over again on other pairs, like the currency pairs of the GDP USD, gold, and even synthetic indices here. Okay, we know our strategy, how we trade, do works for both pairs, be it synthetic indices, be it the be it the currency pair. So if you are not on our Telegram channel, please do well to click on the link on the description below to join our Telegram channel. Here we drop free signals, projections. We even host free mentorship and live sessions here on our Telegram channel, okay, which you can benefit from. This is the gold CPI which we took a few days ago, and it was all profit. Like you can see, we make a lot of profit here. These are profit from my mentees, from people on the group. Okay, they were all happy flipping their accounts and the rest. Okay, so please do well to click on the link on the description below to join our free Telegram community. All right, so that's actually it for the V75 big move, that how you can 10x your account to as much as possible. So add it to your watch list. Please do well, if you love this kind of content, please do well to smash the subscribe button, smash the like button too, like, share, and subscribe, and turn on post notifications so that you could be notified each time we drop more forex educational contents like this. And if you have any question, or there is any forex educational video you love us to make, please do well to drop it on the comment section, and we will surely attend to it and reply you and see how we could make a video on those forex related issues in which you have. Yeah, this is also very important. This is my birth month. Okay, we are at 922 subscribers plus, and so I would love us to pretty please do well to share our videos so that we can see how we can hit 1,000 subscriber mark. Okay, 1,000 subscriber mark. That will be a very nice birthday gift for me. July here is my birth month in few weeks time, so I would really love to have that as my birthday gift, uh, of 1,000 subscriber mark and more. Okay, you know, we put in so much energies in making all these forex educational videos for you guys. We have over 50 videos plus here, and these are on forex related problems that most of you all have, like the top down analysis, stop loss being hitting, like the divergence I was mentioning about. Okay, if you don't know about divergence, please watch my other videos on how to draw head and shoulders. That's actually a divergent kind of video. You don't know about chart patterns, please do well to watch this video. Okay, how to trade chart patterns on synthetic or currency pairs. Your stop loss are always being hit. Watch this video. Okay, it's so we put in so much energy in making all this set of videos. So the best you could help us is to encourage us by subscribing and sharing our content so that other people like you could also learn from us for free. Okay, here on YouTube we do that all for free. So the best is for you to support us with your nice comment, your subscription. Okay, just smashing the subscribe button is all free. Okay, you don't have to pay to subscribe, to click on the subscribe button. So that's it for today, guys. He's your boy Admire FX once again. See you guys on the other side, and keep trusting the process. Ciao.